has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County, Hancock County, Northwestern Rush County, East Central Morgan County, Northern Johnson County, Southwestern Henry County, Eastern Marion County, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were miles northeast of Martinsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Carmel, Fishers, Greenwood, Lawrence, Franklin, Greenfield, Newcastle, Beech Grove, Martinsville, Southport, New Whiteland, Cumberland, McCorbsville, Whiteland, Bargersville, Fort Hill, Knighttown, and New Palestine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for central and east central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Henry, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. And now a look at your forecast.